This is a really great, quick and simple frosting.
The easiest frosting you'll ever make. 1 minute, 1 bowl.
1 cup of powdered sugar. 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. A little bit of vanilla extract. And about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. That's going to give it a little shine. I'm going to mix those together. That's about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, by the way. Just get the cocoa and the sugar mixed up. And then I'm going to add, it's about 1/4 cup of water, but you're going to need less than that. Just add the water until you get the consistency you're looking for. Just a few tablespoons, really. I'm going to add just a touch more water. And you just whisk it up really well. So you get a really nice, creamy, shiny frosting. That looks beautiful. You want to whisk it really well. The more you whisk it, the creamier it gets. And that's it. Perfect, creamy, chocolatey, fudgy frosting. You can use this on just about anything. I've even used it on donuts. It makes a really good frosting for donuts.
So when you want a really quick creamy frosting,
This is the frosting to go to.
so easy to make, so easy to use, creamy, shiny, everything you need in a quick frosting. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you give it a try. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more recipes like this.